Hi everybody, we are doing multi-digit multiplication. We are using partial products. We have the problem 42 times 5. So with partial products, all that means is we're taking the bigger numbers and just splitting them up and multiplying them in pieces, because 42 times 5 is kind of hard, but if you can do 40 times 5 and then 2 times 5, that's a lot easier. So we're going to start by taking this number, 42, and we're going to split it into expanded form. So the 4 is really a 40, and the colors should match here. So you got the green 4 in the green box, so it kind of helps you keep track. The 2 goes over here. So this is our top number, 42. And then they're each multiplying against the 5. So 40 times 5 and 2 times 5. And now we're just going to do the separate word or multiplication problem. So 40 times 5, and we'll put whatever we get here, and then we'll do 2 times 5 and put it here. To do 40 times 5, forget about the 0 and just do 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20, and then stick the 0 back on. And then 2 times 5 is 10. And now you're just going to add these together, because this up here was 40 times 5, and this was 2 times 5, so we're doing 42 times 5 with the total there. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, and 2 plus nothing, so we got 210.